Introducing the MicroVue 2.0 digital microscope, a powerful all-in-one solution designed to elevate the way you see, inspect, and analyze fine detail. At its core is a large built-in 13.3-inch high-definition display delivering crisp, detailed visuals without the need for an external monitor. With an impressive magnification range from approximately 20x to over 130x, every detail comes into sharp focus. Illumination is fast, flexible, and precise. The magnetic LED ring light provides bright, even lighting and can be quickly swapped for an optional UV LED ring light when specialized inspection is required. With LED sector control, you can activate specific lighting zones to enhance contrast and reveal surface features that might otherwise go unnoticed. Precision goes beyond viewing. Built-in measurement tools allow you to take accurate on-screen measurements directly from live images. Measure lengths, angles, radii, areas, and more, all without the need for a computer or additional software. Capture high-resolution photos and video instantly and store them directly to USB or microSD for easy documentation and sharing. HDMI output allows you to display live images on an external monitor for presentations, training, or collaborative inspections, while USB ports make data transfer simple and efficient. The MicroVue 2.0 maintains a compact, benchtop-friendly footprint. Its stable post, smooth focus controls, and generous working distance make it comfortable to use during extended inspection sessions. As your needs evolve, the MicroVue 2.0 adapts with you. Optional accessories such as auxiliary lenses, XYR stages, and viewing attachments expand functionality and enhance precision, making this system a long-term solution for growing inspection demands. The 360 viewer attachment unlocks new and unique perspectives. With its 35-degree angled mirror, it lets you see around complex multi-layered parts. With full 360-degree rotation, you can view every detail from virtually any angle. Whether you're performing detailed quality control, advanced research, or precision manufacturing inspections, the MicroVue 2.0 delivers the performance, flexibility, and clarity professionals rely on. MicroVue 2.0 digital microscope, making precision work possible